Wash the sofa using a regular pot lid. With this household method, you can remove stains and get rid of unpleasant odors. It turns out that expensive professional sofa cleaning services won't be needed anymore. Fill a bowl with very warm water. Then, take a laundry detergent capsule. The substances in it will not only help remove stains, but also refresh the sofa's smell. Throw the capsule into the water and wait until it completely dissolves. Mix it all together to create a cleaning foam. Take a clean microfiber cloth and soak it in the mixture. Squeeze out excess water thoroughly. It's important that the cloth is damp but not dripping. Lay it flat and place the pot lid on it. Then, fold the corners inside so that you can hold the cloth while grabbing the handle of the pot lid. The whole setup should be tightly stretched. Clean the sofa in circular motions, thoroughly going over the entire sofa, backrests, and armrests. The detergent capsule has cleaning, stain-removing, and refreshing properties. When the cloth dries out, soak it again, squeeze it, and repeat the process. Leave the sofa material to dry, and you're done. The sofa will smell and look like new.
This is the secret hotels use to keep their mattresses perfectly clean. Since I discovered this trick, my mattress has stayed spotless, disinfected, and smelling fresh. In a large bowl, add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. It's well known for its disinfecting and antibacterial properties, removing microbes while neutralizing unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. This helps dissolve dirt and makes cleaning more effective. Then add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt has antibacterial and antifungal properties, absorbs moisture, and eliminates bad smells. The next ingredient is baking soda, a natural deodorizer that absorbs moisture while gently cleaning and refreshing. Finally, pour in 1 cup of water and mix well. Take a clean towel, soak it in the mixture, and squeeze out the excess liquid. Place the slightly damp towel on the mattress. Wrap a hairdryer with the towel and use it only on low power, always making sure the fabric is damp, not wet. This method deeply cleans the mattress, removes bacteria, freshens it up, and restores a pleasant scent. Give this simple trick a try. Without a sewing machine or cutting the fabric, I resized a pillowcase. I use this trick whenever I have guests at home. I turn the pillowcase inside out and lay it flat. Then, I place the pillow against the shorter edge and fold the excess fabric over it. The pillowcase opening should face upwards. I slide my hand inside the opening and grab 1 corner of the pillow, pulling the case over it. I repeat this for the other side. Next, I turn the pillow right side out. Again, I slide my hand into the case and grab the protruding corner of the pillow, pulling it through. I do the same with the other corner and it's done. It's important to fold the fabric neatly to ensure a tidy appearance. This way, the pillowcase looks like it's perfectly sized for the pillow. Everything holds securely and looks great. The case doesn't slip off during sleep. A quick and easy trick. You have to try it. You've been washing pillows wrong your whole life. This mixture will remove all the yellow stains from them without using a washing machine. If your pillows are dirty and stained, don't throw them away. They'll be like new after this video. And most importantly, without using a washing machine. Today I'll show you my secret for cleaning them. You just need a few ingredients to create the mixture. First, get an empty jug. Pour 300 milliliters of water into it. Our first mysterious ingredient is baking powder. Add a tablespoon to the jug. The next step is to add 4 tablespoons of vinegar. It has disinfecting and whitening properties. Now add 4 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. It will enhance the effects of the previous ingredients and eliminate bacteria and dust mites. Mix everything thoroughly. Prepare a bottle with a sprayer and pour our mixture through a funnel. Now all you have to do is spray the pillow thoroughly. This way, you'll remove stains without risking damaging the pillow in the washing machine. Don't skip any spots. Then wait for about 30 minutes. After this time, you'll see the first results. Then soak the pillow in a bowl or bucket for an hour. The effect will be even better. The pillow will be clean. Put 1 aluminum foil ball under your pillow before bed. It takes 1 minute, and the difference is bigger than you think. Grab a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It absorbs odors and helps freshen the air. Add 2 tablespoons of coarse salt. Salt soaks up moisture and helps the mixture hold its shape. Now take a lime and use the zest. Grate it finely. It has a strong, fresh scent and makes the whole space feel cleaner. Next, add a small amount of toothpaste. It gives an intense, minty freshness, and its thick texture helps everything bind together and keeps the scent lasting longer. Then add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender calms you down, helps you relax, and makes it easier to fall asleep. Mix everything well until it turns into one firm mass. Shape it into one large ball. Wrap it tightly in aluminum foil so it keeps its shape. Poke a few small holes in the foil so the scent releases evenly. Place it under your pillow and leave it overnight. This little ball can make your sleep feel deeper and better. The lavender aroma helps you unwind and drift off more easily. You can also use the same ball in the toilet. Drop one into the tank. With every flush, it will slowly release a fresh scent and keep the water smelling clean for a long time. Do you sleep with socks on? You should know something because it's not insignificant. Sleeping in socks is a topic that sparks different opinions, hiding many secrets and surprising insights. Here are a few. First of all, wearing socks improves circulation, which benefits your health. Additionally, people who sleep in socks fall asleep on average 15 minutes faster. Warm feet also enhance blood flow to reproductive organs, which can boost libido. Socks help reduce stress, creating a feeling of comfort and security, which promotes relaxation. Moreover, if you apply a moisturizing cream to your feet before bed and then put on socks, your skin will be soft and smooth. Socks also stabilize body temperature, which is crucial for healthy sleep. On colder days, they keep your feet warm, allowing for a more peaceful sleep. It's worth trying this simple change to improve the quality of your rest. Ever since I tried this, I wake up feeling rested and more relaxed. Take a towel that's roughly the width of your door. It doesn't need to be a perfect fit. Lay the towel on the floor and gently slide it under the door gap, ensuring it's even on both sides. Roll the towel tightly, just like shown in the video. Next, use rubber bands to secure both ends of the towel on either side of the door. This will keep the towel from shifting or unrolling when you open or close the door. This way, the towel will fit snugly, creating an effective barrier against noise and light. It's a simple way to make your space more restful without investing in expensive insulation accessories. The towel blocks sounds and light that can disrupt sleep. Plus, this method allows you to easily adjust privacy and comfort levels in your bedroom, promoting better relaxation and recovery after a long day. Recipe for a healthy and deep sleep. A friend from Germany showed me this method. Wash the chestnuts in a bowl to remove dust and impurities. Gently dry them with a cloth until they are completely dry. Prepare 2 bay leaves and lavender oil. Put a few drops of the oil on a leaf and gently rub it in. Bay leaves purify the air and bring harmony, while lavender has a soothing effect, calms the mind, and helps you fall asleep faster. This step is very important because it allows both ingredients to blend perfectly, creating a harmonious mix of scent and energy. Place the leaves in a jar. The next ingredient is white salt. Put 1 spoon of salt at the bottom of the jar. It cleans the air, absorbs moisture, and brings a sense of calm into the room. Then add the chestnuts. They are a gift of nature that helps release tension, quiet the mind, and bring a feeling of inner peace. Close the jar and turn it so everything settles evenly. Replace the lid with gauze. Your natural jar for peaceful sleep is ready. Place it next to your bed or wherever you fall asleep. With each evening, you will feel more calm and lightness. The air will become cleaner, and the lavender scent will fill the space. Your sleep will be deep, restoring, and truly soothing.